Hello everyone, welcome to Strikers Online Classes. I am Rupesh and I am here to explain you what we offer in our online classes. First and foremost, our classes are completely digital. Let's see how it works. If suppose there is a quadratic polynomial, say ax square plus bx plus c, and its zeros are alpha and beta, then the sum of its zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is going to be equal to minus b upon a, and the product of its zeros, that is alpha into beta, is equal to c upon a. So have you seen that the whiteboard is clear and the letters are also very clear to all the students, those who are watching on the screen. But our experience doesn't end here, because we also offer the real-time seamless interaction over VoIP, that is voice over internet protocol. So students can interact with the teacher in real time. And you will be shocked to know the pricing. The registration fee for 3 days free demo class is just rupee 1. And after that you just have to pay 500 rupees per month if you are in the first 50 registration. I think the pricing for such classes is very low. So just go and grab the opportunity. Till then, bye bye. See you in the classes. Bye.